Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. What we're going to be doing for this episode, it's going to be our first episode of this new series that we're going to be doing this year called the Dollar Domino. And basically what that is we're going to take one item that we bought yesterday for $1 and we're going to see how much money that one item can make us over the course of the year. So for example, we bought it for $1, say we sell it for 20. After fees, shipping and all that, say we make, who knows, $10 net profit. We take that $10, invest it again into more thrift items, and so on and so forth. So we can see how much net profit we're gonna make off this $1 investment throughout this whole year. Our goal is gonna be $1,000 this year for this $1 investment. So comment below how much you think this experiment is going to make us. And make sure to subscribe to our channel because we're going to be putting all these videos from this video series into one playlist so you can follow them throughout the year. So comment below how much you think that we're going to make. And at the end of the year, so 12 months from now, whoever was the closest guesser on this video is going to win a special surprise. We're going to be showing you what our first dollar domino item is going to be. And here we go. Our first dollar domino item, the item that's going to start this domino effect of money that we bring in our eBay business this year. You want to see it? All right, I'll show you. This item right here. This is a Kitchen Basics rotary style food mill. And we figured that we would start our Dollar Domino series with a kitchen item because kitchen items sell really well for us. We sell a lot of them. And we got this for $1. And what did we list this for?
I think we listed it for like $24 or $25.
We listed it for $24 or $25. We'll definitely let you guys know what it sells for and what we net profit on it. And then that will get the ball rolling on this Dollar Domino series. So yeah.
I found this one.
I think the cool thing about this Dollar Domino video series that we're going to be doing is that it will prove to people that you don't have to start with much to be able to start on eBay and start growing an eBay business. You know, you can start from literally $1 and just keep building and building and building until you have this huge capital that you can just really start growing your business with. So yeah, that's kind of our goal for this video series, is to prove that you don't have to start with much to get going, and that if you put in effort and patience and work, that you can do it. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. We really appreciate it. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and comment what you thought about our Dollar Domino idea. If you think it's a great idea, if it's something you guys are going to want to follow. And and if it is, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any new content and don't miss out on any of our Dollar Domino series videos.